Where do you think you're going, Funky Chicken? Huh? What are you doing? You little monkey bird. Hi. Where are you going? Huh? What are you doing? Hi, you. Yeah, what are you doing? Baby. What you doing? You gonna put yourself to bed? It's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon, silly bird. You wanna go to bed already? Yeah, that's your cage. Your bedtime cage, all nice and clean. Where are you going? Woohoo! Yay, baby! Are you the queen of the cage? What? What? Come here. Step up. Let's go back to your perch. Quit picking your feathers. Yeah, quit picking on yourself, silly bird. Yeah, you're looking all scraggly. You're making yourself look all scraggly. Yeah, I see you. Baby. Stop that.